Special thanks to our friends at SYNCWIRE who were nice enough to send us this universal car mount for dashboard. Nothing really around the edges, and the back just tells you all about the features. It is compatible with MagSafe enabled phones and phone equipped with MagSafe cases. It uses powerful N52 magnets to ensure a secure grip for your phone. Let's open this up. So inside of the little box we have first bag here. Let's take a look at it. Inside of it is a lot of stuff. So we have a full user's manual here, which tells you all about this mount. Important: clean the targeted area with cloth, leave for 5 hours. This is like some double-sided tape. These are some magnets that you could put on like an Android phone so that they can use this mount. And of course, wet wipes, warranty policy. And then here is our mount. That's it for the box. So there's two parts to this. There is the arm, which is here, and then this is the MagSafe part, which is here. So to put it together, just unscrew this, you slide this over, and then you're able to just take this, push it on, and then select your angle and tighten this up. Once this is tightened, it then stays in place. So you could use this for a few different ways to mount. So you could mount it similar to how you're seeing here on the photo, or like if this was your dash, you'd mount this to your dash, and then your phone would connect to the front. You could also take this off and spin it around the other way. There's a few different options you have for mounting, but with this and with a MagSafe phone, it'll clip right on, and now your phone is mounted in your car. So that will essentially do it for this SYNCWIRE universal car mount for dashboard. Thanks again to SYNCWIRE for sending this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.